Okay, so stupid brother turned off the camera. Isn't that right, Recon? Yeah, that's right.
Oh, dirt. Hello.
She really likes looking at the dirt. I'm gonna go down to my friend's yard. She really likes eating grass. Isn't that right, puppy? Eat the grass. Eat the grass. Yeah, what's she doing now? She wants to do this thing to scratch her back. She's a big girl. We didn't see the last video, part 1 of Raw Vlogs. Turn away. Raw Vlog.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Uh-oh, people. I don't want to go to the church in our videos.
Hold up.
Comment down below if tomorrow or like the next day or something. If we get 5 likes, we'll go to the church and play tag. No, not 5 likes. Just comment if you want us to go to the church and play tag.
It's really fun though. It'll be cool.
Comment hashtag no or comment hashtag yes.
Comment hashtag no one hates it. Do hashtag no one loves it, but he doesn't want to do it because he wants to get subscribers. And all I want to do is have fun. He's a fake. He just wants friends.
Shut up.
He just wants friends.
Yeah.
Huzzah! You're a winner, Jerry! You're a winner!
Is that the... He's at the super adult... What?
Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter!
Let me see.
You're a wizard. Oh, the town that we went to yesterday, yeah.
Yeah, they have it. That's $42 and we got it for free.
Go. Can I just see it?
Huzzah!
Please?
Huzzah!
Don't mess with the
It
wizard.
didn't work!
Don't mess with the wizard.
You're a wizard now, Jerry.
Comment down below hashtag
Wizard!
comment down below hashtag
Wizard!
yes. Comment down below hashtag
Wizard!
yes if you want us to go down to the church and play tag. Or comment
Up to the church, stupid. You don't even know your direction. My hurt butts. Your mom.
Or comment below no if you don't want us to go to the church.
How
and
you lots of people
play
are
tag.
gonna
Oh, to the
say
church.
no? Lots of people are gonna say no.
The church, okay, we don't go inside of the church. We just go outside and play in the like parkour.
Yeah,
like,
I'd like
Yeah,
that.
they're pretty chill about it though. They're really nice people.
so nice.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
No one kid friendly.
Oh no! Make this water into lava! It's so cold. So cold. It sounds kind of warm. So I think it's hurt into lava.
No one. This is actually like. Ow!
Yeah, ow! That
It
hurt!
burns.
I'm gonna turn it into water again. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. No, lava again! Ah! The lava. Oh my god.
Look at her butt.
We're gonna do like little Bear Grylls things too, like survival hacks, I guess.
Yeah.
We're very outdoorsy people, aren't we?
No, I'm not. I like playing Fortnite.
I hate
Fortnite,
Fortnite.
bruh.
No, no one hates Fortnite.
We don't like Fortnite.
Yeah.
I don't really like video games.
Hate on them, guys.
Gage, stop putting the Harry Potter wizard one. I don't like video games. I just don't like.
He's a wizard.
Minecraft is like the only.
Winner,
one-
Gary!
Okay. Minecraft is like the only thing that I really play sometimes.
Yeah.
With him.
His real name's Jerry. We just call him Nolan.
For what reason?
No!
That's the nickname.
You're a winner, Gary!
See, he's so funny. Yeah, he does this a lot.
They didn't see that.
It's really disturbing.
Chase Zach. Wait, can I see the stick?
No, you're a winner, Gary, now! You're a wizard! You're a wizard.
They can see it now. Ew. Oh my god. Look at her butt.
Don't make me! I got the wizard wand! I'm Harry Potter!
Gage,
Yes, not catch me with that!
That didn't.
It's broken! Ah! Jason, just for your
Comment down below if you want to see us go camping and try to catch some common snapping turtles. We're going camping and we're gonna set up this little coyote call all night, so we can try to not catch a coyote, just get a good shot of a coyote. We'll not shoot it. I don't hunt. I don't care if you do. Zach, your dad's here. Turn away now. Zach!